this is Resurrecting in the key of C. Stephen Furtick, Wade Joye, Mack, Chris Brown, and so on play this one. So have a lot of fun with this one. As always, stop the video, click on the description below, and I do have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. So in this key of C, very simple. I've just kind of simplified this song so that you can have a lot of fun playing it. We have C, F, G, and A minor. That's it. There's a lot of repetitive chord progressions in this song, which simplified as well. So let's look at those chords. So C, E, G makes up a C chord. And then we have F, A, C makes up an F chord. A minor, A, C, E, G, G, B, D, and that's it. Okay, so let's just look at the left hand real quick. We're going to put pinky on F, line up the 5 fingers, and then you don't really have to move this hand the whole song, which will simplify it as well. So we're going to play, let's play F with the F chord. So F single note, F chord up here, A minor, A in the bass, G, G in the bass, and then our C, C in the bass, okay? The rhythm that we're going to do to bring the 2 hands together is pretty simple. I'm just going through the verse 1 chords. That's what I'm doing here. We're going to go together, right, together, right. Let's practice that on the A minor. Together, right, G chord, C chord. And you can just practice through any of these chords just to get your hands used to it. A minor, G, and then F. Pretty simple rhythm that we do that to bring the 2 hands together. Verses are going to repeat themselves. So there's verse 1, 2, 3, and 4, and those are pretty much just smack dab the same. And then the chorus is just going to be changing the order of the chords a little bit. So all you're going to do is F, C, G. So we could go F, C, G. All praise will rise to Christ our King. Your name is victory. All F will rise to G. That's the chorus. All right, let's go back into the verses, okay? We're going to do F chord beginning there. The head that once was A minor, crowned with G, is crowned with F, re, C. Now, the Savior F, A minor, G. Now at his F we bow. Okay. You could do that for verse 2, 3, and 4. So the bridge is just going to be a little bit different order again. By your Spirit, I will rise from the ashes of defeat. The resurrected King is resurrecting me. In your name I come alive to declare your victory. The resurrected King is resurrecting me. Okay. That's pretty much it. So the intro, you could do an F, A minor, G, da, 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 do, 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 do. That kind of brings you into verse 1. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can go back at the beginning if you need some help with it, but have a lot of fun.